Mm. Fruity. It's fruit. Only fruit. Like this and this. Don't take this off.
Which one do you want to eat?
This is not. Come up. This is really good. Oh, I smell them. Oh, I smell the nose. I'll wait. I'll wait. Mm.
Can you say Happy Valentine's Day? Look at the camera and say it.
I'm done now. This one got some open. Oh, fruity. A fruit. Oh, the fruits. Yum, yum.
Can you look at the camera and say Happy Valentine's Day?
Have a nice day. I put them in a bowl. Take a bowl.
Are those mommy's or is that Nathan's?
I got soup.